You're lost on a farm. You find yourself wandering aimlessly through a field.
What? No, I'm just taking a walk.
You're feeling so very low.
No, I don't.
You're so very disparaged.
Nope. Don't know what that means, but nope.
You're feeling down and out.
Nope.
Perhaps a spot of melancholy.
Melon what? No.
You feel so alone.
No, I don't.
You feel stranded in the forest.
What the? Why am I in the woods?
Oh, the desperation you feel.
Desperation? What? Is there something wrong with you, dude?
You're lost in a corn maze.
Dude, you really need to stop this.
You're in denial.
Denial? What's to deny?
Stop denying your denial.
Oh, brother.
Your heart is filled with woe.
Nope.
Oh, dear friend, has depression yet set in?
Depression? No. Maybe a little anger.
Friends, allow me to introduce a proven cure for these woes.
Oh, thank goodness.
Build a model car.
Oh, well, why didn't you just say so?
Enhance your experience. Bring a friend.
Ooh, I'm your friend, dude, and I've got refreshments, man.
Yes, model cars are fun.
Come on, hippie dude, let's go build a model car. Cool, man.